Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share the recipe of chicken risotto. This is my favorite risotto. I have shared the recipe of a mushroom risotto before and I'll link it up here. I start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick kadai and add 1 medium onion which has been finely sliced. I saute the onion in hot oil for about 2 minutes and then add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder to it. Next I add 1 to 2 teaspoons of pizza seasoning and let this mixture fry together for another minute. Next I add boneless skinless chicken breast which is cut into bite-sized pieces. I give it a good mix and then add another teaspoon of pizza seasoning. Next I add some salt and pepper to taste and also some paprika which gives a very nice color and smoky flavor to the risotto. I give it a good mix and then let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes, by which point the chicken would be halfway done. Now it's time to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ready-made tomato puree. This gives an intense tomato flavor. Now it's time to add the arborio rice. This is the rice to be used for risotto. It is very starchy and makes for a creamy risotto. I will leave a link to the one I used in the description box below. Please don't wash this rice. Directly use 1 cup of the rice and add it to the mixture. Give it a really good mix and then it's time to add some homemade tomato puree. So I have added the puree of 3 large tomatoes and 3 cups of water. Risotto needs more water than your normal rice or pulao. Once this mixture comes to a good boil, I reduce the heat to low, cover it and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. At this point, I give it a mix to make sure that there is enough water for the rice to cook. As you can see, there is a lot of water and it needs to cook further. So another 5 minutes later, your rice is beautifully cooked and the chicken is also cooked through. Just check once that the chicken has really cooked. At this point, you can switch off the flame and add final few ingredients. It starts with about a tablespoon of butter which I have cut into small pieces so they can mix easily. And then the most important ingredient, some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. A good quality Parmesan cheese makes all the difference in a risotto. So I use about 4 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Don't use the pre-grated stuff, it doesn't taste good. I give it a mix with a very gentle hand and then add some brined black olives to give it a good look and also bring in a little bit of tang from the vinegar. After adding the olives, I cover the pan and let it sit for about 5 minutes, after which your risotto is ready to enjoy. I hope you like this recipe and you will give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for many such yummy and easy to make recipes. See you next time. Bye.